All right, we're back at it. We got our list. Let's go get this metal. Going through the community of Wilmington in the harbor today. All right, I got some random metal pieces. Get those in the truck. Not a lot, but it's a start. We'll just do our best. Keep this stuff out of a landfill, that's for sure. That has a greenish tint, so we'll check and see if that's copper. And of course, we know that's aluminum. A little bit. All right. Yeah, why not? All right, that's a little stop and a little start. Here we go. All right, not super heavy, but we got us some chairs. I do like the pavers. Good for this family and where they live. Set these down nice so the city can come collect those. And we'll grab these chairs. Easy peasy. So we can get tilted up and drop them in. 1, 2, 3. Come on, Grandpa. Whoa. All right. That's why we work out every morning. Yes, you're in the truck. Goodbye. All right, we got us some kind of weight bench. So away we go. Don't let it hit you in the head, Grandpa. All right. Not too shabby. Let's go. All right. Couple of bed frames. Nice and heavy, just the way we like them. Not too shabby this morning. I'm trying to fill up the other truck. We just might have a load. Yes, yes, yes. It's almost that time where I finish up because I got to go watch my baby girls. All right, let's go, Grandpa. Next stop. All right. We got out the hand truck because we got lucky. Got us a stove, oven. All right, let's flip it up, Grandpa. Get it to the truck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One, 2, 3. Come on, Grandpa. I love this part. Thank God for wheels. Yeah, boy. And up we go. Kind of shove everything in there. Make room. Got that there. And we got a good one. Good morning. Went through a lot of that list. Now we can fill up that other truck and get a load in today. That's always a good thing. All right. Oh man, like scrapping with Grandpa in North Carolina says, what's next, what's next, what's next? Get my butt home. Good stuff. Thank you, everybody. Let's load that other truck. Well, just had to stop for one more thing. So here we go. Kind of help the city out. Get this to a good place. All right, not too shabby. All right, mountain of steel. A little bit of moonlight.
A little bit of mud, I think. Whatever happens, don't slip, Grandpa. Let's go. Boom!
Oh shit!
Geronimo! All right. Ah, Los Angeles, baby. You're looking for somebody, as long as they ain't looking for me. Woo, gotta watch out for this big old heavy bar here. Don't get hit in the head, Grandpa. Ah. That can go too. Yeah, Stufa, where we gonna go with you? I like this part. 1, 2, 3. Up and in over the rim. And goodbye. Heck yeah. Bye-bye. Boom. Whoa. Those heavy bed rails, here they go. Oh man. Man. Never ends up in here. $75-gallon water heater. And a Lieber tractor. Man, it on in. It's getting kind of warm in SoCal. I didn't wear long sleeves, so don't hate me, but I gotta be careful though. Oh, just enough to grab on this sucker and get it off of here. Safe. Don't hurt myself, don't hurt my truck, don't hurt anyone else's or their truck. It's basic. Woo. And here we go. 1, 2, 3. Bye. Boom, baby, boom. And another one down. Another one bites the dust. Oh man. Could that be? I know. If I'm getting rid of it, it's a baseball bat. See you later, bye. File cabinets, man. You're going the way of the dinosaur, baby. Boom. I think I see a spot. Oh man, we're gonna get it done, aren't we? Heck yeah. One for the road. Get it and spin it. Man, we just about did it. And we'll sweep this out. I know it's kind of dark. Apologize for that. Go get weighed, get paid. Go home and shave my head, and let's do this again another day. I appreciate you guys coming to watch this hustle. And if you do it, be careful out there, please. Oh, Lord. In the truck, how do we do? Look at that eerie, spooky light. All right, all those barbecues and stuff, about 1,400 pounds. I got dinged $5 because I had something with like wood on it. But everybody's pretty good to me, so that happens. I didn't know what to do with that barbecue. It was so old, it was made out of wood on the sides of it. But like, you know what? We kept a big chunk of it out of a landfill. So I only got a $5 penalty. I'll take it. Still a good day to hustle. Get out there, kids. Be safe. And thanks for following me on my journey. We're keeping stuff out of a landfill and getting a little money paid out here in Southern California. Not too shabby.